So we're shooting this video to show you how important it is to keep leak detections in-house and not have to rely on other people doing your leak detections. I was a contractor down in South Florida, plastered a whole bunch of pools. I was relying too much on other people coming out to do my leaks. Same thing of what we turned pool builders into leak detectors and pool remodelers and even service companies. It's always good to keep it in-house. It's always good to control the job. Give you an example. You build a $60,000 pool. First thing happens, when you fill it, if it drops an inch of water, you're gonna have a really upset customer. But you're gonna have a really upset customer when you tell them that your leak guy is about a week off as far as doing the leak detections. So it's vital, it's important to be able to keep it in-house, to be able to handle those jobs, be able to go out, use our equipment, it's real simple to do, be able to locate where that leak is, take care of it right away, happy customer. Again, on the remodeling side, it's just important, and on the service side, it's just important as well. Control these jobs, keep it in-house, you earn the money, and you keep your reputation. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.